It's that time of the year again, Christmas. Wait, no, we're about to get to Christmas. It's Q4. And if you're in dropshipping, this is hands down the biggest season of them all. Q4 is where the magic happens. And if you want to cash in, you need to know what people are buying. So today, we're going through the top 37 Christmas products to dropship in 2025, plus a way to import them instantly with automation. Let's jump in. All right, coming in at number 1, we have an LED Christmas snow light projector. This one is a no-brainer. It's plug and play. It creates that magical falling snowflake effect, and customers love it because it turns their house festive in just a few seconds. Market this to busy families who want to make a big impact without hours of decorating. All right, number 2, lighted Christmas boxes. These are the glowing gift boxes that you see under trees or in windows. They're energy efficient, reusable, and create that cozy holiday vibe. Sell them as sets to boost your average order value. All right, number 3, Christmas party decorations. No holiday party is complete without banners, signs, or props. Now, trend alert for this year. Christmas glasses and table decorations are going to be super hot. Bundle sets so that way customers don't just buy one thing. They get a full party kit from your store. Number 4, elf stuffed legs. These goofy elf legs stick out of a tree or a fireplace and are perfect for impulse buys. Kids love them, adults love to laugh at them, and they're cheap enough to upsell with bigger decor items or bigger decor orders. All right, number 5, Christmas inflatables. From Santa to snowmen and reindeers and more, inflatables are classics. And the trick? Offer different sizes and LED lit versions. That way you've got options for customers with small yards and big ones, or balconies. All right, number 6, we have Christmas snow globe lanterns. These are nostalgic, but unique. It's like a snow globe that you can hang, and these will sell well because they look high end. You can go ahead and target gift shoppers with this one. All right, number 7, we have Christmas themed headbands. Think reindeer antlers or Santa hats or just overall flashing lights. These are perfect for parties and stocking stuffers. They're super lightweight, they're cheap, and they're easy to ship. Number 8, we have Christmas pet costumes. People love their pets just as much as some people love their kids. Santa suits for dogs, elf outfits for cats. These absolutely crush it every single year because people love including their pets into their family photos. Target pet parents and cross-sell with matching human outfits. All right, next we have Christmas advent calendars, and these are super fun, and there are so many different options available. Advent calendars are pretty much a tradition for a lot of people during Christmas, and there's a gift in each and every single one of those little pockets. So each day has a surprise, whether it's candy, toys, or some sort of beauty product, and they even have some build your owns. These are great for recurring sales year after year. Quick pause. You've seen how many of these products are pure impulse buys, but don't stress about hunting each one down because inside AutoDS, the handpicked product section, already has top performing Christmas products that are ready to go. And if you want the full list of all 37 products from this video in one place, along with the links to each one of them, I made you a free cheat sheet. All you have to do is go ahead and comment down below the hashtag Christmas 2025 and let me know which one of these is your favorite, and I'll hook you up. All right, let's go back to the list. Number 10, we have artificial snow. Not everyone gets the real thing. I know I don't, and I absolutely love snow. But we can have the next best thing, right? Artificial snow. This is perfect for DIY displays, window scenes, and photo backdrops. Low cost with high margins. Number 11, we have Santa Claus costumes. These are always in demand. Everyone's always going to have a Santa for Christmas, whether it's for a party or for a school gathering or whatever it may be. Don't forget to list also Mrs. Claus versions as well. Couples love buying these together, and people with kids also like to do this to give them a nice little extra holiday treat so the kids can say, hey, I actually saw Santa when he brought my toys. All right, number 12, Christmas dining room chair covers. It's a super easy way to transform a dinner table into something festive. So sell them in sets of 4 or 6. Number 13, we have DIY Christmas ornament sets. These are huge with families and with crafters. Parents love buying them for kids' activities. Number 14, Christmas cookie cutters. These are the perfect add-on for the baking niche. Bundle them with rolling pins or beginner baking kits for a higher average order value. Next, we have Christmas party hats. They're cheap, colorful, and essential for gatherings. Offer them in multiple packs to increase sales. All right, number 16, artificial Christmas wreaths. These are a timeless decor piece. You can offer different sizes and pre-decorated options with ribbons or poinsettias. I think I said it right. Number 17, window clings and stickers. These are easy, they're reusable, and they're perfect for renters who can't put up that heavy decor. You can sell different packs with a bunch of assorted designs. All right, number 18, we have Christmas floor runners. Non-slip rugs for kitchens, bathrooms, and hallways. They're practical and they're festive. Number 19, Christmas pillow covers. It's a quick way to upgrade a living room without having to buy new pillows or an entire new set of pillows. You can sell these in sets of maybe 4 with matching designs. Number 20, Christmas throw blankets. These are cozy, they're warm, and they're giftable. Cross-sell them with pillow covers for bigger orders. Number 21, Santa Claus figurines. From classic Santas to quirky modern ones, these are collectibles that customers reuse and collect every single year. Number 22, we have Christmas trees. I mean, what Christmas is not complete without Christmas trees, right? These are a big ticket item with some pretty high margins. You can offer everything from tabletop mini trees to giant 7-footers or maybe even more. Number 23, I'm starting to run out of breath here. Christmas tree accessories, lights, toppers, ornaments, skirts, storage bags. This is where you really expand your catalog. These items are repeat purchases year after year. Number 24, Christmas tree earrings. Interesting one, huh? These are small and fun fashion accessories that sell pretty well as stocking stuffers. All right, number 25, rhinestone Christmas tree brooch. It's old school, but it's elegant. It's perfect for gift buyers and the older audiences. All right, number 26, outdoor color changing lights. Weatherproof LEDs for gardens and home exteriors. It's a staple for holiday decorating. Next up at number 27, candy cane balloons. These are a party essential. Sell them in bulk packs and sets for bigger numbers. Number 28, we have Christmas garland with lights. These are classic stairway and doorway decoration. You can offer multiple lengths and pre-lit options as well, and also a couple of different colors. Number 29, we have wrapping paper rolls. Everyone is going to need these. Add a wide range of prints and sell them in bundles. Number 30, knitted Christmas stockings. This is an absolute must-have for families with kids. Personalization is going to take this a step further, and to help you with that, you can take advantage of the AutoDS print-on-demand section. There you can go ahead and customize your different products. That's actually going to tie into number 31, which is ugly Christmas sweaters. You can go ahead and design your own using print-on-demand, or you can find already existing ugly Christmas sweaters through the AutoDS Handpicked product section or any one of our other suppliers. Ugly Christmas sweaters still trend hard to this day, thanks to office parties and competitions. Everyone has competitions to see who has the ugliest sweater. You can offer unique designs and make sure that you include a size chart. All right, number 32, matching family pajamas. These are super viral every single year, and I'm telling you this right now because we've gone maybe 3 or 4 years where we can't get matching pajamas when we go to the store because my wife always thinks about doing this way too last minute. And by that time, they're already all sold out. And it's not even December. It's like by November that they're already missing different sizes and everything. Trust me, parents love posting family photos in these. So offer a wide size range for kids and adults. Number 33, we have gift wrapping sets. These are complete kits with paper, bows, and tags. Customers love the convenience during the holiday rush. So that way they don't have to buy a bunch of different things separately. Number 34, we have Christmas rolling pins, engraved baking tools that create patterned cookies. Perfect for gifting or social media worthy baking. Trust me, these things go absolutely bonkers on social media during this time of the year. Number 35, print on demand Christmas products. You have mugs, ornaments, sweaters, like we mentioned before, and stockings. These are all customizable. They're great for one-of-a-kind gifts without holding inventory. Number 36, light up Christmas rings. These are fun, they're cheap, and they're perfect for parties. These are great as bulk stocking stuffers. And finally, number 37, spooky or anti-Christmas decor. This is a pretty interesting one, right? Not everyone loves tradition. Think about black trees, gothic ornaments, or funny Grinch style items. But don't sell the Grinch because that's copyright. It's niche, but it's profitable. That's the full list. 37 Christmas products that you can dropship right now to get your store set up for the Christmas season in 2025. Remember, don't just throw them in your store and hope for the best. Use AutoDS to import them in one click, test out what works, and automate the fulfillment so that way you can keep focusing on scaling. And if you want a free cheat sheet with all 37 products in one place, make sure to drop that comment with the hashtag Christmas 2025 along with your favorite product, and I'll send it your way. This is the season to go big. So start now and make this the most profitable Christmas or Q4 that you've had to date. Huge thank you to everyone for watching. My name is Mario with AutoDS. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you like, and with that, I'll catch you all next time.